Before we get to the local weather, we're going to talk a little science here.
Yeah, Gene, this is really interesting. You spent some time in Bibb County today watching some very interesting experiments going on.
Yeah, it's pretty unusual to think of that part of Alabama as a place for scientists to gather, but while most of the U.S. is seeing warmer temperatures, the Southeast is not. And dozens of scientists gathered in Bibb County, specifically in Margie Kinder's backyard, to find out why.
They're pretty neat. They've all been real nice.
Do they eat a lot of food?
Well, we had one cookout, and yeah, they eat a lot of food.
You work up quite an appetite trying to solve a mystery. Why is the Southeast cooler when most everywhere else is getting warmer?
My hypothesis is that emissions from the forest interact with pollution from cars and factories, and it results in particles that actually form in the atmosphere from gases and makes a cooling haze.
To figure out if she's right, dozens of scientists from colleges and universities across the U.S. are taking air samples and capturing particles for further study back in their home labs. What do they do with this?
So you're going to make clouds inside there?
Yeah.
How?
So it works by expansion. We extract air, and as the gases expand, it cools off. Relative humidity climbs and eventually gets saturated, and we form a cloud on the aerosol.
Today, the people who fund the research got a tour to see the progress. The highlight, 8-year-old Kyle Cottingham helped launch the daily weather balloon. As for Margie, have you noticed that? You feel like it is cooler?
Well, I don't know. It's been pretty hot.
Well, the science team will be in Brent through mid-July, but it could take months to analyze the data and release results. You can hear my complete interview and see it with Dr. Carlson at CBS42.com. Just look under the weather tab. Well, at least it was pretty warm out there.